Hi, my name's John from the Dorico team at Steinberg. I'm going to walk you through the BBC SO playback templates. So here we've got a zip file on the desktop that I've downloaded, and I'm going to extract that and have a look in the folder. In here you'll find some files, and the first one we're going to look at is the Dorico PT file, which is the playback template. The quickest way to install that on your computer is just to drag that and drop it onto the Steinberg hub anywhere, and then that will install it on your computer, so it's now available. If you already had a file open in Dorico and you want to install a playback template, then you just need to go to the Play menu. So in the Play mode, in Play menu, click on Playback Template, and here you can use the Import button and you can import a playback template there as well. I've already done this, of course, because I dragged it onto the hub earlier, so you can see it's listed here. So now, if you're using the Hallian default sounds, for example, in Dorico, you can now select this playback template, press Apply and Close, and for each of the instruments that you have in your project file, Dorico will load a new instance of BBC SO as required. It will also, in the endpoint setup dialog here, it will load an expression map or a percussion map for the right one for each of those instruments, and this applies also whether you have solo players or section players. In this particular version of the library I have installed, then it's just going to pick mainly some section players, but it will pick accordingly depending on the template that you have loaded. And when you get a green play button up here, then you know all of the samples are loaded and everything is ready to go. We also in this folder have a Dorico project file. If I just open that Dorico project file, then you'll see in this project what we've done is added an instance, so one each of the instruments which are included in this case in the Spitfire Discover series. So we've got a solo piccolo, the flutes are R3 in this version, so we've got a section player, but you can see they're all loaded in here all the way down through the percussion and the strings. So what you'll now find in this one is that in the play section, of course, when you have the piccolo, it's loaded into the right slot, the expression maps again will be loaded, and if you click on the little keyboard icon here, then you will be able to see the BBC interface when things have loaded, and then you can also click on the little E icon up here, and that will also show you the edit instrument dialog. So just wait for on your computer, depending on the speed, the little green play icon to light up, and then you'll know everything is loaded. You'll also notice in the folder there is an information sheet, and this information sheet also has information about a longer video about how these things are set up, and also fallbacks for other instruments. So if you want to create a playback template which includes Hallian and the BBC SO or any other sample library, then you can do that and you can create your own custom playback templates as well. So here you can see the interface is now loaded. It's loaded for this particular instrument that we chose for the piccolo, and everything's there that you need. So use the playback template for your existing projects, and if you're starting from the beginning, you might want to use our Dorico project. Thank you for watching.